We will be quickly revising architecture in ancient India in this video from the Ghatna Chakra Pointers edition. Now, the associates of Khajuraho temple architecture were Chandela rulers. The temple of Kandhariya Mahadev at Khajuraho was built by Chandela rulers. The temple of Khajuraho are related with Hinduism and Jainism. Matangeshwar temple at Khajuraho, excuse me, is dedicated to Shiva. Out of the given temples, which is Kandhariya Mahadev, Chausat Yogini, Dashavatara, which is not located at Khajuraho. Answer is Dasavatara temple. Out of the given sites, namely Khajuraho temple, Bhimbetka rock shelters, Sanchi Stupa, Mandu forest, fort, which is not a World Heritage Site. Answer is Mandu fort. Out of the given options, namely Bhitargaon temple, Teli temple of Gwalior, Kandhariya Mahadev temple, Uriya temple, which one is built in Dravida style? Answer is Teli temple of Gwalior. Out of the given options, namely Ajanta caves, Kanheri caves, Rajgir, which consist of more than 100 Buddha caves? Answer is Kanheri caves. Jain temple of Abu is made up of marble. Palitana temple is located near Bhavnagar. The Elephanta caves, which were mainly sculptured for devotees of Shiva. The ancient monuments of Elephanta are mostly devoted to Buddhists and Shaivites. The famous cave temple of Elephanta that are ascribed to Rashtrakutas. Ellora cave temples relate to Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Out of the given temples, namely Shore temple, Mamlapuram temple, Rajeshwar temple, Tanjavur, Kailash temple Erola, Jagannath temple Puri, which is an example of rock cut architecture. Answer is Kailash temple of Erola. The rock cut cave in western India are located in Nasik, Ellora, and Ajanta. Out of the given places, namely Elephanta, Nalanda, Ajanta, Khajuraho, which one is famous for Buddhist cave temples? Answer is Ajanta. Ellora caves were built by Rashtrakutas. Out of the given temples, which is Bridheshwar temple, Tanjavur, Lingaraj temple, Bhubaneswar, Kailash temple, Ellora, Kandhariya Mahadev temple, Khajuraho, which one is considered as a wonder of rock cut architecture? Answer is Kailash temple, Ellora. The Kailash temple of Aurora was built by Rashtrakutas. The Rashtrakuta ruler built the famous Shiva temple of Ellora is Krishna the First. Rashtrakuta ruler who built the Kailash temple of Ellora is Krishna the First. Out of the given religions, namely Buddhism, Jainism, Shaivism, and Shaktism, which one had Rashtrakuta protection? Answer is Jainism. Caves of Ajanta and Ellora are located at Aurangabad. The caves of Ajanta and Ellora are in the state of Maharashtra. The correctly matched pairs are Gupta temple and their location, brick built temple in Bhitargaon, Dashavatar temple in Deoghar, Shiv temple in Bhumara, Vishnu temple in Iran. The art of Ajanta was mainly patronized by Vakatakas and Gupta rulers. Ajanta caves are linked to Jataka stories. The paintings of Bodhisattva Padmapani is one of the most famous and often illustrated painting at Ajanta. Out of the historical places, namely Ajanta caves, Lepakshi temple, Sanchi stupa, which one is are known for mural paintings? Answer is Ajanta caves and Lepakshi temple. The common to two historical places known as Ajanta and Mahabalipuram is both have rock cut monuments. The correctly matched players are Hampi, Karnataka, Nagarjun Konda, Andhra Pradesh, Shishupalgarh, Odisha, Arikmedu, Puducherry. The Konark Sun Temple is built by Narsimha Dev Varman I. Black Pagoda, that is Konark Sun Temple, is located at Konark, Odisha. The Sun Temple of Modhera lies in the state of Gujarat. The correct statements are Sun Temple of Multan is mentioned by Hyun Sang, Abu Zaid, Al Masudi, and Al Baruni. The pilgrimage of Sambalpur was associated with sun worship. Lingaraj temple is located at Bhubaneswara. Out of the given temples, namely Brahmeshwar Temple, Jagannath Temple, Lingaraj Temple, and Raja Rani Temple. Which one is the largest and the tallest surviving temple of Odisha? Answer is Lingaraj Temple. Jagannath Temple is located in the state of Odisha. The temple of Bhubaneswar and Puri was built in Nagara style. The idols of Lord Jagannath, Subhadra, and Balbhadra in the Sanctum Sanctorum of Jagannath Temple, Puri Temple, are made up of wood. Angkor Wat Vishnu Temple is located in Sei Riap, that is northern Cambodia. Borobudur Stupa is situated in Java, Indonesia. The initial design and construction of which massive temple took place during the reign of Suryavarman II? Answer is Angkor Wat Temple. Gopuram in the temple of Dravidian style stands for ornamental and multi-storied structures on the gateway. Rock-cut temples of Mahabalipuram were built by Pallava rulers. The Rath cave temples at Mahabalipuram were built by Pallava rulers. The Seven Ratha temple of Mahabalipuram was built by Narsimha Varman I. Out of the given Rath temples, namely Draupadi Rath, Bhim Rath, Arjun Rath, Dharmaraj Rath, which one is the smallest? Answer is Draupadi Rath. The correct matched players are Elephanta Caves. Swarna Belagola is a statue. Khajuraho is a temple. Sanchi is a stupa. Now the correctly matched pairs are Bhimbetka Madhya Pradesh, Soar Temple Tamil Nadu, Hampi is in Karnataka, Manas is in Assam. The correctly matched pairs are Ellora Caves in Rashtrakuta, Meenakshi Temple by Pandyas, Khajuraho Temple by Chandelas, Mahabalipuram Temple by Pallavas. Now the correctly matched pairs are Baichanath Dham Shiva Temple, Sarnath, first sermon place of Buddha, Dilwara is a Jain temple, Badrinath is a Vishnu temple. The correctly matched pairs are Sen Temple Konark, Lingaraj Temple Bhubaneswar, Hawa Mahal Jaipur, Statue of Gomateshwar Karnataka. The correctly matched pairs are Nalanda University, Sarnath, a pillar of Ashoka, Sanchi is related to Stupa. The correctly matched pairs are paintings, Bagh Caves, MP, headless statue of Kanishka from Mathura, Dashavatara Temple from Deoghar, UP. The ancient town of Takshila is located between the rivers Indus and Jhelum River. Sonagiri, highest among 103 Jain temples, lie in the proximity of Datia district, MP. Dilwara Jain temple is situated in Mount Abu. Virupaksha temple is located in Hampi. The Nagara, Dravida and Vesara are three main styles of Indian temple architecture. With reference to the cultural history of India, the term Panchayatana refers to a style of temple construction. Namisharya, a famous pilgrimage, is located in the district of Sitapur, UP. Now, with reference to Indian history of art and culture, correctly matched pairs are a grand image of Buddha's Mahaparinirvan with numerous celestial musicians above and sorrowful figures of his followers below, is located in Ajanta. Arjuna's penance, descent of Ganga, sculpted on the surface of huge boulders, is in Mamlapuram. A huge image of Vara avatar, that is boar incarnation of Vishnu, as he rescues goddess Earth from the deep and chaotic waters, sculpted on rock, is in Udaygiri caves. The correctly matched pairs are Gandhara art, Kushanas, Janagadh rock inscription, Rudraman 1, Junagadh. This should be Junagadh rock inscription. Milind Pan, Meander, Takshila inscription, Patika. Out of the given options, namely Lingaraj Temple, Bhubaneswar, Rock Cut Temple at Elephant at Dhauli, Rock Cut Monuments at Mahabalipuram, Vara image at Udaygiri, which one was made earliest with reference to art and archaeological history of India? Answer is Rock Cut Elephant at Dhauli. Ajanta caves are in rocky northern walls of V-shaped gorge of the river named Vaghora River. That'll be all for this video. We'll be covering South India, that is Chola, Chalukya, Pallava and Sangam period in the next video.